Hello everyone. So first of all, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today, as you can see, I am going to unboxing this Japanese haul that I bought from, of course, Japanese. I'm in Japan. There's a whole lot of fonts right here. There's also that one, and this one is, if you see, there's actually a paper. This is actually the one that I taped by myself because there is a sticker which has my name and my address on it. I hide them so that you guys can't see it, and this one also I actually taped them again because there is like a sticker right here. For the do, let's open it. I'll go with the smallest packet, okay? So this one is package. Okay, so this is the first package. Now I'm going to open it. I'm so scared to open this. I can just open like that. Ooh. Wow. Okay. And then there's one more. Okay, so I have 3 packages right here. Ooh. Oh, I think he or she wrote me a letter, but I does not know what it say. I'm so sorry about that. I can just open for the smallest package. Okay, so I'm so excited. I'm trembling. Okay, there is a cardboard reinforcement. That is so amazing because it came with a really cheap price. So I didn't know that there was a cardboard reinforcement. Wait, is there a sleeve? There is. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Wow. Okay, so when I bought wait, focus. So I bought equal love Hana Oba Hana. This is the 2019 December press photo. Oh my goodness, this wait. No. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at that. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, and then there is no more. Yep. Well, yeah, but there is a cardboard reinforcement. I didn't know that. Okay, now I'm going to open the next one. So this is it. So I actually can feel like a bubble right inside here. So that is very good. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, okay, now I know. Wow. Oh my God, look at this. Equal love. Wow. Okay, so is there anything more inside? No, there is no anything. It's not focusing. Okay, so I actually bought Equal Love t-shirt size L. This one. Okay, I just don't know if I should. Yeah, I'm just going to open it because I can put it back inside. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. Look at this. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Yeah, so this is size L. The shirt. And it was actually expensive. Look at that, Equal Love. Wait. The more scary, the more I love you. Depend on you, you complete me. Surely it's to let coach. Oh, this is the lyrics, I'm sorry. Now, this is the package. The last package for the first one. Oh my god, it just banned. No. Please don't ban. Okay, I need to open it again. Okay, I can see it. I know what it is. Goodness. Okay, there is a cardboard reinforcement. That's so good. Thank you so much for doing that. Oh my god, it banged. Yes. Oh, wow! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, so big. I didn't thought it would be this big. But focus. Okay, so I bought Eco Love 5, the 360 Laguna 10 box. So I got both edition, the pink one and then the black, and I'm sorry, the blue one. So pretty. I didn't thought that it would be this big. Look, it's so big. Look at that. Okay, so that's it. And then we're going to go with this box. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry. So yeah, I actually tape it by myself because there's like a sticker right here, so I have to hide it. It is, isn't it? Ah, I hate it. Come on. I am so excited. There you go. Oh. Okay, so this, okay, so this is actually the CD. Okay, wait, I'm going to open it. So I got Type A and Type B for Zuruine CD, Eco Love. So now I'm going to open it to see whose photo that I got. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ta-ding! Hana-chan! Alright everyone, so I got Hana for the Type A of Eco Love Zurine. Oh, I got Hana. I also actually got Hana. Yeah, so I got Hana. Again. Yeah, so this is the first CD of Zurine, so I got Hana. She's so pretty. Okay, so the Type B. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ta-ding! Captain! Everyone, I got Anna Yamamoto Anna, the leader of Equal Love. So everyone, I got Anna Yamamoto Anna, the leader of Equal Love for the Type B. Thank you so much for that. Now the third box. Okay, okay, I cannot. I have to open it by myself. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. Right. Okay. Where is it? See the box. Okay, everyone. So I bought. Oops. I'm going to open it. Is it focusing? Yes. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ta-ding! No. Okay, everyone. So I got no. So I got no for the Type A. So thank you so much. Oh my god, look at that. He told me in my car. So everyone, so I got no for the Type A of the Korean CD. So that's the only CD that I bought. So this one has so much problems because there is a custom I have to wait for, but I think it was 1 month, I think, 2 or 3 weeks, I don't remember, but there's so much thing happening. So now let's open it. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness, everyone, can you see that? Okay. Okay, so everyone, so many bubble. Okay. Oh no, please. It's quite right there. Okay, but that's okay because I bought a lot of them. Okay. So I have this欅坂 46 album. Please don't let anything be cracked. Okay, so Keki Zaga 46, of course Equal Love again, and then wow, so many bubble wraps. Oh wow, look at that! Wow, so good. And then I bought乃木坂 46 and also Equal Love. So I got this one. I'm just gonna swatch so many bubble wraps. I'm so scared if there's going to be like, a crack inside them. Okay, so wait. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Please go away, please. Is there any crack? I hope there's no crack. Seriously, because there's one which has cracked. I got so many cool CDs because obviously I love them. And then the box has been. Now I can put it. So for this box, I bought乃木坂 46, Nigamizu. I got 2 of them, 8 of them. Okay, 28. And then this one, 21 maybe. Oh! I'm sorry. Oh no, not the cut, not the photo. Not the photo, I'm sorry. I'm super messy, isn't it? Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Okay. Whew. This is the last box that we have, and then we're going to open it now. And again, I have to unboxing the box. Oh wow, okay, there you go. Okay, so I bought another lots of CD, which is green. So I bought Equal Love, Zuruya Zurine Type D. I think it was 100 pieces here. Oh my goodness, I almost had the box fell down, and then all of them would be cut. Okay, yes. Okay. I got so many CDs. Wow, this is so amazing. And then the CD, look at how many it is. Okay. That's it for today's video. So I got the file, I got a whole bunch of photos, road photos, so then I got the t-shirt and I got CD, a whole bunch of CDs right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like to see more of these kind of videos. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and turn on the notification bells, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. So that's it for today's video. Bye.